Hi YouTube, UK Lockpicker back with another video. Today's video I'm going to be picking this Yale 840 series. This was sent to us by a lad called Mark from the UKLP group on Facebook. If you're not already a member, please head over and join. It's on this link. I don't have the key for this, and the problem with that is when I was picking it and trying to gut it, it was resetting itself. So what I've did is I've had to take the spring out the bottom of it, so once it's picked, the core stays picked. Otherwise, when I was taking this plate off, it was resetting. It would be quite a boring video if I had to pick this and then pick the core again just to gut it. So this is out, the lock is familiar to us, so without further ado, I'm going to whack it in the vise and see if we can get this picked and gutted. Right, some tension on it. We're going to go top of the keyway because it won't pick bottom of the keyway for some reason. I'm just going to go in with this little pick that I made. Start at the back, pick off the binders. That was 6. Hovering over 5, no luck. 4, nothing on 3, 2 or 1. Just head straight back to the back. Click off 6. On 5. 4. A little bit of movement on the core there. Nothing worth shouting about. Click off 1, that was. So usually it falls into a deep falset round about now, but we'll see. There you are. It's now in a deep falset. So now it should be just a case of picking off either the spools or mushrooms, which I think are in these lock quite regularly actually. I'm definitely getting counter. Let's see, that was another mushroom set or a spool. Should only be maybe 1 more pin, to be honest, if I can get to it. Cool, well, that's just reset there, which I've just come out my false set, but I'm now back into it. There's 2. Caught up on something and I can't quite put my pick on it. Two. 3, 4, 4, 5, 1 a mushroom here for definite. There you are. Picked. Not too much of a tricky pick, but nevertheless, that's an open. Hopefully we can get this tension wrench out. That's it.